This 2020 Forest River Cherokee Alpha Wolf 26RLL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.